Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to archive a project in Basecamp. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and drop some quick notes. So first up, accounts on personal or free accounts cannot archive projects. Okay. As deleted projects on a personal account or free account cannot be restored. As you can see here, I do have a free account. So when we go head over to our project, go to the top right, click on the three dots. And as you can see here, for free accounts, you'll only have the delete this project option. Now, if you have the paid account, you'll have archive or delete option. Okay, so just click on it. And the next page, just make sure to select archive. And then once done, if you'd like to restore the project, you can find it in your home tab right here. Okay, you can go ahead and click on view all in a list. That's it. Just click on it and you'll be able to find your archived projects. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.